Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. This video we are going to discuss how you can start a channel on Twitch platform. So just you can type here Twitch and here you can see this one. This is official website twitch.tv. So just you can go and after that here you can see login and sign up. And on the left side here you can see so these people having channels with followers here you can see 10k. So now how you can start your own channel, just you can go and sign up and here you can fill out form. So here I can give a username, then password, and then date of birth. So let me select this one and after that here I need to add mobile number. So you can also use email, just I can go here and add email. Then after that click the button sign up. So now here you need to add verification code from your email. Here you can see this one, just I can copy it and add here. So guys, here you can see account is created. Now we need to select some interest that we want. So just I can select this and after that click here create a dashboard. Just you can go here, after that you can also see option channel. Scroll down and now let's click here create a dashboard. So this username is basically your channel name. You can add channel bio. So you can add display name. Here you can add anything that you want to add. Then click on save changes. And here you can add profile image and you can select the color, then scroll down. Here you can add channel logo and banner. So guys, here you can see your viewers and followers.